The Little Mermaid. Under the sea, in a beautiful kingdom, lived Ariel, a curious young mermaid. She had long flowing red hair and a beautiful voice, admired by all who heard her sing. But Ariel yearned for something more than life underwater. She dreamed of life on land. One day, she swam up to the surface and saw a magnificent ship with a handsome prince aboard. A terrible storm struck, and the prince fell into the sea. Ariel saved him and brought him to shore. She watched over him until he woke up, but had to leave before he saw her. Ariel was in love. Ariel's father, King Triton, forbade her to go to the surface again, fearing for her safety. Desperate, Ariel visited Ursula, the sea witch, hoping she could grant her wish to be human. "I can make you human for 3 days," said Ursula, "but you must give me your voice." Ariel agreed. Ursula cast her spell, and Ariel's tail transformed into human legs. On land, Ariel met Prince Eric, who was enchanted by her beauty but confused by her silence. They spent wonderful days together, but the 3rd day was approaching, bringing Ursula's curse. Ursula disguised herself as a beautiful maiden and used Ariel's voice to trick Prince Eric. The prince was about to marry Ursula when Ariel's friends discovered the truth. They revealed Ursula's deception, and Ariel's voice was restored. Prince Eric recognized her. With the help of King Triton and the sea creatures, Ursula was defeated, breaking her spells. Ariel and Eric were free to be together. Ariel's father, seeing her love, granted her wish. Ariel became human forever, and she and Prince Eric lived happily on land and sea.
Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.